Hello friends, my name is Jereme Leung. Welcome to my kitchen and thank you for joining me today. I hope that you and your loved ones are doing well. While our reality may be unfamiliar at the moment, we are reminded that this is only temporary and that our hopes are high that we will all travel again soon and experience the world again. Speaking of travel, I was recently going through photos from the various trips I made last year. And one of my favorite was my visit to Ufaa, which was one of my restaurant collaboration located at the Conrad Maldives Rangali Island in Maldives. Ufaa, which means happiness in Devihi, the local language of Maldives, is an innovative culinary concept featuring flavors from the distinctive cultures and provinces of China. The restaurant presents various dining options, including fresh handmade crispy noodles and dim sum, premium hot pots with Meisterlich approved, and top quality producers, as well as exquisite set dinner menus designed by yours truly. The well-curated menu at Ufaa is not the only thing that makes it special. Ufaa is nested amongst towering coconut trees overlooking a white sand beach and a beautiful view of the turquoise Indian Ocean. It is one of the 12 award-winning dining experiences at Conrad Maldives Rangali Island. Today, I would like to share my special recipe and show you how to cook one of my favorite dishes in Ufaa called fried rice noodles with beef and bean sprouts with soy sauce. So, come follow me to my kitchen. Now, today, this fried rice noodles, we are going to have very simple ingredients. Cabbage, carrots, beef, bean sprouts, onions, and some rice noodles from Thailand. Some basic seasonings for our beef, which it consists of sesame oil, sugar, salt, some cornstarch, and some pepper. First, we're going to shred our cabbage. With the carrot, it's the same. To marinate our sliced beef is very simple. First, we start with some salt. Okay, just a little bit of salt. And then some sugar. Okay, a little bit of cornstarch. This is to give it a mouthfeel which is a lot smoother when you bite. Okay, some pepper. And finally, some sesame oil. We can then just mix this. Okay, first now we're gonna start to make our rice noodle. So this is relatively hot. While I'm going to oil my wok, just going to rotate your wok and let the base be oiled evenly. I'm gonna start by pan searing my beef. Okay, without overcooking it. Next, I'm going to stir fry my onions and carrots. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. We just need to add some soy sauce, some dark soy sauce for the color, and then some pepper, and some sesame oil. It is very important that you taste your food. So we just need to stir fry this. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. I hope you enjoy recreating this dish at home. Meanwhile, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay inspired.